There are quite a few individuals and businesses that keep some cash or stablecoins on the side, and there are plenty of reasons for that. Liquidity, flexibility, or simply having capital ready when it's needed. The problem is when that money just sits there, inflation slowly eats away at its value. In my last video I showed you how to take a Bitcoin-backed loan using the Firefish platform. And in today's video I'll show you the other side of that same system. How to invest and earn interest on your cash or stablecoins using Firefish. Again, with Firefish your investment is fully backed by Bitcoin collateral, and the yield can be pretty attractive. This is a full step-by-step guide, so let's jump right in. Before I jump into the step-by-step guide, it's important to mention that Firefish does not act as a lender or a borrower. It's essentially the bridge, a non-custodial marketplace that connects lenders and borrowers, and it takes a small fee for providing that service. That fee is paid by the borrower. The Firefish platform is open source. The protocol and the source code are publicly available, so anyone can review and verify how it works. That level of transparency is a big reason why Firefish is trusted by thousands of users. Alright, the very first step is registering on the platform. Firefish has different account tiers, and to unlock borrowing and investing, you'll need to complete a standard KYC process. Once your registration is complete, you'll be able to invest. Click Invest in the main menu to access all available deals on the marketplace. You can filter by loan period. The available options are 3, 6, 12, 18, and 24 months. And you can also filter by currency. On the Firefish platform you can invest in US dollars, euros, USDC, Swiss francs, Polish zloty, and Czech koruna. Firefish is constantly working on adding more currencies and stablecoins, so you may see more options in the future. For this tutorial I'll invest in USD. Next, choose the loan amount range. You can click on the header of each column to sort results in ascending or descending order. Very intuitive. Once you found the loan you'd like to invest in, click Investment Details in the Action column. Then review the loan details, the amount to invest, the loan period in months, the interest rate, the amount you'll earn, the loan start date, the maturity date, and the date the loan request was created. If everything looks good, tap the Invest Now button. The next step is funding the investment. You'll have 30 minutes to initiate the bank transfer. You can manage your bank accounts in the My Account section. Choose your bank account and click Continue. The next step is investment protection. Your investment is protected by Bitcoin collateral provided by the borrower. That collateral will be accessed if the loan is not repaid by the maturity date, or if the value of the Bitcoin collateral drops significantly during a bear market. You'll have two options. The first option is that Firefish handles the sale of Bitcoin collateral itself. The second option is self-managed liquidation. If you choose self-managed liquidation, you'll receive your investment and interest in Bitcoin. In that case, you'll need to provide a Bitcoin address. Make sure you don't use an exchange address. Only use a Bitcoin address from a self-custody wallet you control, since this address is permanent and cannot be changed. Once you've chosen the investment protection option, click Continue. The next step is investment confirmation. Carefully review investment details. Then read and confirm that you agree to the terms of service, collateral escrow rules, and distribution escrow rules. And confirm that you wish to enter into the legally binding agreement under the terms and conditions outlined above and in the agreement template. Then tap the Confirm Investment button. You should now see an investment confirmed message on the screen. Go back to a dashboard. The status of your investment will change to pending investment. At this stage, the borrower is completing their loan setup, and you'll be notified once the Bitcoin collateral is locked. Once the Bitcoin collateral is locked, you'll see an action item asking you to proceed with the funds transfer. Click Show Details. Review the bank transfer details and send the funds to the listed beneficiary. Once the payment is initiated, click I confirm I process the bank payment according to the details above, and click Confirm Bank Transfer. Finally, you'll be asked to rate your overall experience with the investment setup process. Go back to a dashboard. The status of your investment will change to pending investment, and once the borrower receives the funds in their bank account and confirms receipt, the status will change to active investment. In this tutorial, I funded a $21,000 loan at 9.5% interest per year, and I'll receive $22,995 at maturity. In the investment details, you can also see the BTC collateral amount, the Bitcoin liquidation price, the investment start date, and the days left. Now let's review the investment actions. You can view investment documents, add a note, and add the maturity event to your calendar. You can also see your active investments on the Home tab. Now let's review a situation where a borrower requests early repayment. If an early repayment is triggered, you'll see a notification saying the borrower associated with your investment has requested an early repayment. Click the Show Details button. In case of early repayment, the investor still receives the full interest rate. The borrower simply eliminates the risk of liquidation by repaying early. They don't save money. Review all the details, and if everything looks good, click Accept. You'll see a pop-up showing you the amount you'll receive. Click Accept Early Repayment. The status of your investment will change to Waiting for Borrower. The borrower will then process the repayment. Once the borrower sends the funds, you'll see a notification saying the borrower has initiated the repayment process. Click Show Details. Check your bank account, and if you've received the funds, check the I confirm the receipt of all funds box and click Confirm Repayment. If you did not receive the funds, contact Firefish support at hello@firefish.io. Go back to your dashboard. You'll now see your investment under the Close tab, with its status marked as closed. You can review your investments in either list or card view. Firefish is a leading open-source platform for Bitcoin-backed loans trusted by thousands of users worldwide. As you've seen, the process of investing and earning interest on your cash is very simple. Use my affiliate link in the description when registering on Firefish. And as always, check out CryptoSnake deals for the best discounts on conference tickets and crypto gear. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping